Investigation on the way into murder of JDF Soldier. Slain soldier in West Kingston said to be friendly and close with residents. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaican Defense Force member who was killed by gunmen in Denham Town area of West Kingston Police Division on Friday was said to be a supportive and friendly person by residents from the community. The soldier killed has been identified as 20-year-old Private E.J. Dunville. Residents describe him as being kind and friendly. Acting Brigade Commander Lieutenant Colonel Carl Clark says investigations continue into the fatal shooting of the JDF member in Denham Town on Friday morning. The police say that Dunville was among a group of soldiers on foot patrol duties when they saw a group of suspicious-looking men. The soldiers went in pursuit of the men who opened gunfire at them. Lieutenant Clark is the acting brigade commander for the Jamaica regiment responsible for deployment across the country in support of the police. According to the lieutenant, the soldiers took evasive action and returned the fire. Private Dunville was reportedly shot in the right side of the face. The grieving mother wept openly for her son, the mother of Private E.J. Dunville.
Madam, give me my son, Brina! Madam, give me my son! Madam, give me my son! They murder my son, them assassinate my son. Nobody not dead if I have my son back. My son. Nobody not my son because they kill my son. They murder him. Them assassinate my son.
Residents of Duane Park blocked the road in their community in protest against the private murder. One angry resident who spoke to reporters said that Dunville had a warm personality.
EJ, very loving, nice. When you see EJ greet you with a smile.
Yeah, anyway, we got people loving.
Loving, nice. We know EJ from EJ, I go high school.
Smile.
And our mother, very fair. Our mother, our only son, you know, our only son, and she needs justice.
One son, no mother.
Only from a mother to a mother would have know what it is like. I son now when I join the army, you know. And him in a cadet right now, and him never join the army. Can't tell you that. And we need justice for EJ. 20 years old, your only son. And them come now and them not tell you nothing. Them need to tell you what happened on spot. Because them know. They must know.
It's reported that Dunville was soon suffering from what appears to be a gunshot wound to the left side of his face when the shooting subsided. The injured soldier was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital by the JDF mobile team, where he was pronounced dead upon arrival. The gunman escaped in the area on foot.
I am Lieutenant Colonel Carl Clark. I am the acting brigade commander for the Jamaica regiment, responsible for all the deployments across Jamaica in support of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. First of all, I want to say condolences to the family of the soldier. We deeply regret their loss and the loss of his life. What I can tell you at this moment is that the soldiers were responding to a threat, a direct threat at their lives. And in doing so, unfortunately, one of the soldiers was impacted possibly by one of the rounds of the threat forces. He was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The investigations continue, and we continue in pursuit of these persons, the perpetrators, so to speak, and we will definitely continue to be professional in what we do under the auspices of internal security operations, where justification, acting within the law, and proportionality is first and foremost. So at this moment, that is pretty much it until further information becomes available. You can contact our PR personnel for more information.
Yes, as soldiers, it means he wasn't walking alone.
He was not walking alone.
Can you say how many of them were
at this time? I'm not able to say. However, for sure, a soldier doesn't walk alone. We operate at a minimum of 2 persons, but I can tell you for sure that there were more than 2 persons that were involved in the incidents.
We heard dance was in the area and the soldiers were responding to some shooting.
I'm not able to confirm that at the moment.
Are you able to reveal his identity?
For the sake of their families, that we have contacted directly so far, we prefer not to at the moment, and we prefer that comes from the permission of the family members.
My brethren, respect squaddy. My brethren but a son. Good soldier, reason with me at night time, tell me say you dep on TikTok and make money, put your money to use. Don't destroy your money. Last night me I got on my bed, when me come off of TikTok, show me that drink some liquor. In my house, him turn to me and say, Kasha, where you are dealing? Say me I go and go cook some food. Right there so me live. I just feel a way about the situation. I just wish the place could have come back, but it don't look like it have come back. Instead I'd come, it have go. I'm a virgin. I'm a virgin. Me and him reason for stuff for better my life. I'm a virgin. I respect him, big respect me I feel. Respect, I never know him. Respectable enough people from the gap here so know him. Can talk to us while other soldiers that come go like them better than we and scan we, him not scan we. Kasha, I know all my name, Kasha. Say yeah charge or some other soldier around him will get used to it, would have say mama. You know? When me see him picture this morning, cause all me hear soldier dead, me no know who. And this morning me dey on my live. And me I said to my son, say the soldier we dead, me see him picture. When me see him picture, me have to end my life. I have to end my life. Because the last word him said to me last night, Kasha, where you dealing? Say me I cook some food and him say you come out back. Say me so forward. Me I say maybe if me come out and talk to him, because sometimes we out here we are reason for hours. 2, 3, 4 o'clock me just go on my bed. Because I out here reason with him. Him alone. As that type of soldier that will come reason with we are sure we say, watch on your life the better than the ghetto. Not because you live here you have to be a part of it. You dep on TikTok and you make a money girl, buy a second-hand bus, and when you buy it, check me because I have a link. You see, any more I'm better in a life, you know I'm there in a party, I throw away money. Because I know it's hard for come here for ball on TikTok for make a change. So him ever influence me for be a better woman, and always him know all my son. Him know all my pitney them. You understand? Respect him, man. Just sorry, my condolence to him family. I'm sorry, I'm a prayer West Kingston come to back betterment. We can't live like this. The people them not get no summer. From school like a pure shot of fire. We not get no summer. I buy much buy 4 bags of chicken back. I buy 10 bags of book. I buy 30 school bag, we can go show on. I keep a back to school treat tomorrow. Because enough of we not have it for send my people to go school. And the treat have to postpone because it can't this happen. What is this? My earth. What me I go do with the box of chicken back them? What me I go do? We not pay like me like you like and cut off. The chicken back I go waste. When people they either eat. Me I look for feed over 200 people tomorrow. Me can't do that. We under curfew, we have to go in.
The Independent Commission of Investigation and the scenes of crime personnel are at the location. Links 007 TV will have more details on this story to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.